Goodness.
Ooh, locked up.
King. Yeah, it does.
What happened to him? What is that? Sorry, it was just some of these came from overseas, man. So. Your fucking leg, no, dude. Okay.
Auto a bit.
You know, come to.
You don't know what's going on.
Surprise.
Come here. That's how you block. I'll show you how to block.
Sick. I like. See that? You are a mess.
I fear looking into someone's eyes. ¿Qué tú estás haciendo aquí? Mira, señor.
That's a very lovely accent you have.
You better stop. What the fuck is going on here? This is gonna get educated. What's happening here, dude? Stop.
Wait.
Ashley, you see this?
I gotta say. You're a darn cheating. You're a darn shooting,
I
tooting
know,
cheater.
darn shooting, cheating, tooting your
You're
mama.
a darn.
Tooting. We charge him right here. Charge him down.
Charge him?
No, let him get on this right here. This is the perfect area.
Wait, dodge.
Nope.
And then do it.
Nope.
She's coming over. She was like. This is so fucking retarded.
I saw Spider-Man yesterday. It was quite good.
Yeah.
I was talking to the camera.
That looks like throw up. Who did that?
It smells like Mother Nature, man.
Yeah.
It smells like because all this stuff came from the ground, huh?
Yeah. And then it was highly exported to your local neighborhood Target. How's that? Wait, okay, so wait. For someone like me, I actually don't know who this guy is.
You don't know who this guy is. He lives just down the street from me, dude.
Something about Disney, something
I see this
about
guy all the
something
time.
or other. What's the backstory behind this meme?
Stop shooting me, man.
Look at it.
Look out, Trevor.
You need another weapon, Trevor. Take it.
George and Scrincher, get your fat ass over here.
Us
What was that?
farmers.
Wait, what was that laugh?
We should never hit back, cause a little boy get a feeling when they get it, when they click, 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 click. You ain't part of this group.
I think he just threatened to murder somebody, so I'm not sure if that's if we can
I used to
actually
listen to a lot of
broadcast it.
songs that had the click, clap, boom. But then they stopped doing that.
50 Cent, he got click-clacked.
Yeah.
Tupac,
Yeah, click, clack.
same story.
Boom.
Kurt Cobain.
Oh, he click, clacked himself. Do you see the 6 of them?
Yeah, I see them.
Which one of them is your favorite? Rank them 1 through 6.
I don't want to do that.
You have to.
I don't want to.
Oh, it's so
Oh
good.
yeah, fuck yeah.
Oh,
Jack wants to be undisputed champion. This is a fight I've been wanting for a long time.
Whoa! Hey, it's me and Luigi.
Ready?
No, I'm not. Fuck.
When you look out into the distance, what do you see?
There you go.
Well, this is, there is brooms. There is also a mop.
Yeah, I'm ready to vote, dude.
That's it? That's all you see?
What the fuck? Oh shit, it was a setup.
We're going all the way!
Oh, that was real.
Why are you cheesing? It's not funny.
Fucking jump the
I
gun.
can quick draw from wherever I need to.
One more in it.
Oh yeah. You got me 2 shrunken heads? Yo, wow. Ooh, lockdown.
Hey fags, it's color impaired here. We're playing Crypts of the Serpent Blood King. Yeah, it does.
Oh wait, what happened to him? What is that? Hey Alex, why did it take you 3 weeks to get Etsy products? Oh, you didn't order them in time?
Dude, no, I ordered them in time. It was just some of these came from overseas, man.
I don't really want to like go around killing people until the end. So
Until the end.
You think I fucking served for 15 years for this fucking country? For you to sit there
yo, I'm
and
actually getting
drink?
high right.
I'm so sorry. I didn't realize that you served in Dunkirk. What?
Holy dude. Oh shit, I think the cap just broke, dude. How's that poking pipe?
Hi! Great party, huh?
I don't want to do this anymore. This is a bad idea. Fucking.
A little bit forward.
What are you trying to say? That because Trump's president, we're now all separated? The South and the North? Is that what you're trying to say?
Well, California voted for Hillary, so
Who did we vote for?
Hillary.
Yeah, that kind of sucks.
Bitch ass hot dog, I'm cooking your son. That's what you get for sneaking up on me while I'm trying to take out my nightlight. I'll cut your dick.
Dude, it's like Daft Punk.
You know, there's so many genders now. Yahoo!
Wahoo! I can do that, see? Wahoo!
It's a little bit more high pitched, I think.
Wahoo!
Yeah, that sounds about right. What is that? It's your fucking leg, dude. What the fuck? I need a chair.
All right, here we go.
Dude, your fucking leg, no, dude.
It was a crazy party that I went to.
I don't do well with graphs.
That can be
here.
fed to cows.
I'd rather have the wife look at the numbers, you know. I just do the hard work.
I have my wife just fucking sit back.
Jordan, I don't want to hear about your goddamn wife.
Tell me a little bit about your wife.
Goddamn if I'm
My wife's a fucking slut, dude. She be going to all the bars, fucking every little boy man there is. And boy, she comes home smelling With like a a sweaty boy? pig. And fuck,
Hey.
dude, my eyes go red. I just start fucking swinging. I don't even know where I'm hitting.
Well, at least she comes, right?
All right.
Want a bite?
Oh, you took a bite. You licked that part.
No, I
What?
didn't. That's this part.
Oh. Oh. Yeah.
Now I have no rings. What am I gonna do without the rings?
Kill yourself, idiot.
Okay.
What do I do? I just like touch it? Okay. Okay.
Dude, he's not even bothering to heal you either.
What the
he
fuck?
fucking left.
I picked him up like 3 times, you piece of shit.
He fucking left.
What would it be?
What is that? That just looks like you're fucking like a quadriplegic.
What would it be?
Do you need to use the machine where you type with your mouth?
What would it be?
Okay. One beer, please. Jesus Christ.
Sure thing, boss.
Where am I? Am I in Louisiana? The bartender slides me ice cold beer while in his wheelchair. I take a sip and enjoy the refreshing. So Joe, how many people do you think, come to this?
Or you can lie on your back. You lie on your back, and then you put your feet down. There you go. Yeah. Right. You can do it with a friend. So grab his ankles. Grab his ankles. Yeah.
He just kind of doesn't want to leave. He looks like he's scared. You don't know what's going on.
There you go. Damn, look at that. Look what you did there, dude. It doesn't even jiggle anymore.
That's like a fucking special ability.
I'm so fast.
I had a really bad dream about all these Alex YouTube comments, and it was.
Was it hurt?
Was it what?
Damn, he got it.
What? I am the spy.
He outed us.
Surprise, guys. Surprise.
You can't do this to Mario.
I'm sorry.
Brother, why must you do this to me?
I got two shots on him. Your leg has to go up like this. Ooh. Can you back up a little bit for me?
I'm gonna go ahead.
Thank you.
I'm gonna go ahead and do you a solid right here.
He picked the show that he answered he watched earlier in the game.
I think it just says name a show.
Is that what it said? What did it say?
A TV show you think is the worst.
But you gotta fake it.
Gifters out there that want to sport our brand during the holiday season. But, 2% of all sales go to
Rooster
us.
Teeth.